Good soundtrack for it. Video. Oh,
One's blown.
one kind of blew.
That sucks.
I think that was the shaken one.
Yeah, that one didn't really go that well.
Which one wasn't the shaking one?
The
One
one right
in the
there.
back.
The one right front there.
Yeah. That's the non-shaking
Yeah,
one?
that's a non-shaken one.
Oh. Did it already go?
Yeah. It did something. Can't tell. No, it just popped out.
Yeah.
I heard leakage though.
Yeah, I did too. Maybe it's up.
Probably got like a small hole in it.
Yeah.
Someone have like a really long...
Yes, I do, Scott.
Shut up, man.
Camera's not working that well.
I put the sexual innuendos.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't.
Sierra Mist isn't that fizzy, that's why.
I wouldn't be. Look, that one just popped out.
Well-
I'd move, guys. That one's about to go. I want to back up a little bit at least, pointing like right at you.
That one?
Yeah.
That one's bottom's pointing at us.
Yeah, I know. It
The
just
top
yeah.
will blow.
That's what I'm saying. The bottom could go.
The
too.
bottom's not gonna blow. Bottom's sealed.
Yeah,
Top's gonna
car's
blow
weak.
off because that's the weakness.
Well, we'll find out.
Well, if I get shrapnel, just leave me here to die.
All right, sounds good. Turns like a 20-minute video.
And then right as we sit down, boom!
I don't know, my camera can't zoom all of a sudden, so I give up.
All right.
Just keep saying zoom 1x.
As soon as Jake gives up, it'll go.
Yeah.
Don't.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yeah,
liable
Scott,
for
go
your
poke
actions.
it.
I'm liable for your actions.
In other words, if you die, it's his ass.
Yeah, I want my dad to die a second. Actually, no, it'll be my ass in 19.
I'm an adult.
Yeah, why would it be your dad's ass?
Be mine. Well, is it the property owner?
Technically, it's what we call a gray area.
Really
It's
great.
what the courts sort out.
Yeah. Alright. It's really
gotta be
hot.
getting hot.
Yeah, it's
I
really
can
hot.
see it glowing.
Maybe it's not gonna. Maybe.
It'll blow
or something.
Which way is the top aiming? In the fire?
Yeah.
into the fire. So when it blows, it's just gonna go in.
Yeah,
There it goes.
Holy
Holy
shit,
shit, that blew
blew
out.
out of the fire.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna say you might want to move.
Where'd the other one go?
it
It-
leaked.
It's,
I think it leaked.
it flew out of the fire.
The other can did?
Yeah.
No,
I think it's
No, it's
collapsed,
still in there.
though. Oh, is it?
I can't tell. It's like
Imploded?
it looks like it has, but you
The
can't tell.
top is popped out
Yeah.
halfway.
Like that.
Poke it.
Throw a grenade quick.
Throw a grenade. This isn't Call of Duty.
Why not?
It hasn't blown. Has
Alright.
not blown.
Oh, pause.
It's gonna be less if it's leaked.
Backing up.
If the smoke goes that way, I'll move them more in.
Jake, did you videotape that?
The can's under here somewhere.
Cans? Yeah, cans right
I
there.
see it's under the.
If that smoke goes away.
So I can put like a 12 pack in there.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, Brendan, that's aiming right at you.
I'm gonna kill you.
There's my dad.
Fuck.
No.
Huh?
No, it's fine. He's leaving.
What if he comes out here? Hey, John, boom!
No, it's ugly.
He would be fine with
I don't
it.
think it's in the fire
Probably
anymore,
not.
Scott. I think you moved
I
it out.
get my ass chewed out afterwards.
What are you using?
You didn't even touch it that time.
No, I'm trying to get it so it'll leave fire on top of it. Anthony roommate.
Got locked out again.
peanut butter? Hey. Probably not, no. I'm not sure if she did or not. When I left at like 1:45, 2 o'clock, and her stuff was still in there. Okay. Alright.
He's gonna go.
My roommate had a girl over last night, and he gave her a key so she could get back later to grab her stuff.
it was.
And
It
he's
was.
like,
It
he's
was.
like,
It was.
did she come back at all yet, Dino? I was like, I don't
It
know.
was a one night thing.
Yeah.
Were you? Were you there? Were you there?
No, I was at Chris's last week because of that. I was like, you better make it worth it.
Yeah. Just find like.
Because every time he's like, oh
find,
yeah,
like,
there's gonna be a
3
girl
used
over,
condom
so
wrappers.
something might happen.
Top's getting kind of deformed.
Yeah, I think it's leaking, dude. Can't you
So-
hear it?
Poke it.
Yeah, probably would though.
Yeah, that's the wood. Oh yeah, that's leaking.
Oh, did you crush it?
Yeah, I can see it spraying out.
Oh, good.
Oh, wow, it is.
Is it an explosion hazard?
No.
It could be, but I doubt it.